In this video, I'm going to show you how to add multiple audio tracks to CapCut video. So over here, as you can see, I have a random video in here inside CapCut, and what you first want to do to add in multiple audio tracks is you want to click on your track in here, and you want to right click it, and then click extract audio, which as you can see will basically extract the video and the audio from your clip. Now after you have this, you can then start adding multiple audio clips below this one, and the way you do this is you just have to grab some audio. So for example, I'm going to grab some music over here from their audio library, and then I'm going to just drag it in here, and as you can see, if I move down here below this, there's a line which shows up, and when this does show up, it means that it's going to be placed just below the clip, and if I release it, as you can see, it was now placed below. And if I now do it again, so for example with this one over here, and if I go to the very bottom, yet again, there was another audio track, and I already have 3 audio tracks over here. You can then log them if you want to by clicking this over here, or you can mute them by clicking this over here. It will say track muted or track unmuted, and you can basically add as many as you would like at the very bottom of this, and you can just keep stacking them, and then you can mute them if you wish later. So that's pretty much it, but of course many of these audio clips, as you can see, in case you're using them, are pro. So in case you're using these pro clips, you can listen to them, but when you're trying to export like this, it will say you're using different pro tracks. So of course you will have to upgrade to the pro version, and if you want to do that, there's actually a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and if you sign up to CapCut Pro using my link, you will get a nice discount. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.